Hello, happy dash cam commute with Mrs. Gray. How are y'all doing today? It is Wednesday, and the day is dreary here in Wisconsin. There are a little raindrops falling on my head, but oh well, what can we do about that? Mother Nature needs to give us some rain so our trees can feel good and quench their thirst. Huh? Anyhow, all right. I am driving to my second job. I just finished my first job, and I just feel like I'm doing this for nothing. Like, obviously I have the money and it helps me, but like it's like no matter how much I make, I never have anything extra to save, and I just don't know what to do anymore. It's ridiculous, and I know it's my fault because I don't keep track of what I spend, and my husband doesn't keep track. So it's like we have our account, and like he spends, I spend. Like, there's no freaking system. We are so screwed up. Like, I know it's wrong, so don't be freaking telling me anything. I know it's wrong, okay? How can I change that? Well, I gotta just make the time and sit my butt down and figure out what we're spending. Because working 2 jobs, like literally working 7 days a week as somebody who's older, sucks, you know? I'm not in my 20s anymore. Like, I don't have that kind of energy. And I love both jobs, but at some point, I'm gonna want my weekends back, you know? Like, I'm gonna want to like go home after my first job and just chill and work out and do whatever I wanna do instead of having to go to another job right after the first job. Like, that's gonna get old pretty quick. I mean, I've been doing this for months, but still, like, I need a break. And because I'm seeing no freaking, like, stopping this craziness, you know? So, I don't know if you have any tips to help me besides getting my shit together. And I say that on here, I don't even care. And then it's just so hard because all the bills are so freaking expensive. Like, housing is so freaking expensive, like literally expensive. Let's not even go there. Then having to pay for a car payment, then having to pay for kids, what they need, and then having to pay for electricity, cell phone, insurance, water, like cable, like food, gas, like everything is just like, how do people survive? Like, my husband and I make decent money. We're not making like minimum wage money. How do people survive? Like, help me understand how they survive. I don't get it. And we're hardworking, so people that say, oh, people just need to work, no, kiss my fat booty. Like, we work hard, so don't even freaking go there. I want to know what the deal is. Like, I've tried everything. I have books on Amazon. I have made electronic activities for students, and you know, I have tried making an online store. I mean, I have tried everything, you name it, I've tried, and I don't know if it's, I just don't stick to it long enough or what, but you know, I go full force on things and I just don't see the progress that other people make, that they say, oh, you can, you know what, this toy is selling millions of dollars on Amazon. Why are you working 80 hours a week when you could be selling this toy and make millions? Shut the hell up. I mean, where? How does this work? Help me understand where that's true. Even my books, like I've sold books, and like I said before, I've made like maybe $200 one month. That's the most I've ever made on my books. Coloring books, journals, poetry books, whatever, right? I've made all those kind of low content, and then like some content like poetry books and short stories, whatever. But still, what the frack is going on? Okay, well, I didn't mean this to be like a negative rant session, but you know, it's gloomy outside and that's my mood, so freaking deal with it. All right, peace and love. Peace out.